Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to Looming Time with the Loomerator, and today I'll be showing you how to make a rainbow loom ring. There's Faith, she's on the phone once again. So, yes, I'm trying to lower it down a bit because I don't want it to be a little too loud because I still want you guys to hear me. And today, we're going to be making a ring, like I said, and I don't know if I have an example. So I was teaching Faith how to make a ring, and I was showing her how to do it just like the extension way, not the zigzag, and it turned out as a ring, so I'm just going to show you how to do that today. But it's a small like a single chain, or as other people know it, an extension right there. So yeah. But anyways, I don't know when I'm going to make a video, but I'm going to be making a video soon on how to make this little turtle boy, and he's so cute. So yeah. Okay, so for this you'll be needing your loom, and you just want to use these. I believe they're 13 pegs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, yep, 13. So there's 13 pegs, so you just be needing 13 pegs and a hook, and I'm going to be making a video on how to make this grip. And then a C or S clip. I'm closing my eyes and we're just going to pick a random one today. Oh, I have two. Pick a C or S clip.
Me?
Yeah, you. She said a C clip, so we're just going to use, oopsies, a C clip because she said a C clip. So yeah, we're going to move that because we don't need that anymore, and we're going to move this to the side. And the colors that she picked are a lime green. Oh no, dark green. She said a dark green and like a light blue. And what else? Oh, a navy blue. Yeah, like a navy blue. So we're gonna use those. Let me just open up my cases. I should have done that before the video, but you know me. Okay, so you're gonna want it like this. Yeah, the stagger configuration with a arrow facing away from you or towards you, whichever. For this one, if you're gonna do it with the arrow facing you, you're just gonna go this way from the top to bottom, or if you're gonna do it this way from bottom to top, you know. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some navy blue. So here's our navy blue, you know, navy blue, our light blue, and we're not gonna need this much, but I'm just taking out, and a dark green. Okay, let's get started. I recommend it in the arrow facing away from you. So you want to grab your first color. You want to go from here to here. And then your next color, you can use the same color, how many colors you want. We're just going to use 3 today. And you just want to keep going. See, that's a ripped band right there. You want to go all the way up. And she picked a really good color scheme. Okay? So, guys, this tutorial is so easy. Okay, so... And we're going to end off on dark green. And we're going to add a cap band. If you're going to, so it just goes like this. And if you want to add a cap band, that's totally fine. And you can stick with the same color here or the next color, which would be dark blue. So we're just going to do that. You're going to grab it, twist it once, and then put it on top. Oopsies. I don't know why it's not doing. Okay. So there we go. You want to turn it. Push back this little, this dark blue chunk. Bring over the green. And then go in the middle. It should be making a teardrop. You want to go in the middle and go up. Like that. Okay, so I just have it this way for the sake of the video. So you're going to go in. Sorry, I took my couple tries because I'm looking in the camera. You're going to go here. Sorry about the noises in the background. She's grabbing stuff to make a bracelet or something. Go there. I just want to keep going up. So just like that. Okay, so me and Faith were just doing behind the scenes because we're cool. Okay, so sometimes it's hard for me to grab the C-clip and bring it, like, put it on. So here, oopsies. So here's a tip. You just go in, grab both sides, and then just bring it to your peg up top. And then you just want to grab your C-S clip. And you just want to go clip it on there, and it's on there. Just take it off. And then it should sort of look like this. And you can clip it like this. This is a really easy way to clip it. Like this. Or you could just put your hook through it. And there's your little ring. Or I like making bracelets for my dog and my cat. So this works too. But there it is. Let me act like I'm married. So there I am. I'm married. Nice ring, my dude. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I post another video. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to be linking my TikTok down below. And if you have any suggestion for a video, just go in my comments and say, hi, I'm from YouTube. Can you make this video, blah, 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 blah. And please say like from YouTube or related to YouTube. Just so I don't post it on my TikTok because sometimes I get mixed up. So yeah, bye guys. Okay, bye.